Oh, puchu, puchu.
We can see here 1, 2, there's number 3. So they are walking protected. I am more excited about this though. Guavas. So mom's plants are working fine. Pomegranates are protected. There's 2 here too. I wonder what cut this leaf like that. Mint and goat. I used to play here when I was a little bit small, and some good trainings. Like I was almost a college champion when I was in college. Maybe because I practiced too hard here. That was in class 6, 7 maybe. 3 hours of training every single day, singles, doubles. Sometimes all you need is a good weather, a calm place, and yeah, sometimes you don't need much in life. It's pretty cool how this Sony camera, I know you can see it, it's pretty bright now, but it's not so, it's kind of dim here, but it looks so bright. Amazing. तो 6th of July 2026 आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही वॉक में बिजी हो गया. couldn't vlog much. सुबह थोड़ा किया था. I hope you find it interesting. Let's go outside and see how the weather is. You can see the difference. There are a lot of people. I mean, this is what happens. People wait the whole day to come outside, and you can see line and line of people. Good number of people have come out today. His dad's favorite car. While on my way to work today, something hit me, something came to my mind. Like us chasing after success, money, a name in the society, etc. Basically a personal brand. Those all are important, but maybe finding calm, finding more peace in life, that's more important. Think about it. So I have been from today trying to find more peace inside. I have some bad habits. I'm a very short-tempered person. Get frustrated, irritated very fast. Trying to beat that. You know, you might say that like there's so much traffic, etc. But I kind of appreciate this by knowing what the contrast is. Like I once stayed in a homestay where it got night, where it got dark pretty fast, power went off, and like now let's say the power goes off, I can come outside and see the people around and see the society and not feel too bad about it. But in that homestay I realized like it was totally silent, totally dark, very boring. It hit me like the importance of knowing contrast, and not everything that you think is bad unless and until you know what the opposite is.